How to turn off fundraisers and crisis SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off fundraisers and crisis SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click notifications, and now click fundraisers and crisis, and here just turn SMS off and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.